I have to say that today I'm absolutely shitting myself.
So the tapes have sat in my wardrobe for the last 15 to 20 years, and it's only now that we need to dig them out and find out what's on there. Okay, so we've got a 1/4 inch undated tape that has Hot Legs written on it. We've got an unknown, very heavy 2-inch tape that just says 10cc on the box.
Oh my word. The tape looks like it's been used
it's probably been
to tie up hostages.
We asked both Graham Goulman and Kevin Godley whether they remembered one of the items which we know we have, which is an advert that 10cc recorded for Revlon Natural Wonder eyeliner in 1976. And both of them didn't remember the first thing about it.
Here's the da da da.
So, on the side of it, it does say 10cc Revlon ad 3776.
Oh, the holy grail.
Right, let's see what we got.
Right. Oh God.
So here we go.
Here we go. Good stuff.
Much need to keep you.
Yeah. Thank you. Bottom one could be the bossa nova version of I'm Not in Love. Wouldn't it be so funny if it was something really stupidly rare? Having a physical thing that was recorded by 4 of my heroes is just unbelievably joyous.
Hot.
Yeah, the importance of the tape for me is that we're uncovering a hidden gem in the 10cc archive, you know, a very, very rare gem. And it's really exciting to hear, after 44 years in cold storage, what's on that tape.
Yeah, so this is it. This is where history's made, Rob. My heart's going. Tape's rolling.
Yeah.
Oh my wow. Oh God.